Hi guys, welcome to the all-new Treasure Beach Village at Beaches Turks and Caicos. I'm Ashley here with Twinsburg Travel, and today in this video we're taking you on an exclusive walkthrough tour of a club-level room in this beautiful new addition to the resort, opening in March 2026. Treasure Beach Village will feature 11 new room categories, a lagoon-style infinity edge pool, private cabanas, a brand new cinema, 7 incredible dining options with the food court, and of course access to the whole resort. Now let's step inside one of these stunning rooms. As you enter, you'll notice the convenient wet bar. This is perfect for enjoying refreshments. It's equipped with a microwave, a kettle, a coffee machine, and when you do order room service, this is where it will be dropped off. Anyone in the whole entire family can order room service. Now let's step into the kids' room. It's equipped with double bunk beds with a pull-out trundle underneath, so ample sleeping space there. They have their own storage space as well, equipped with robes for everyone in the family. They also have their own flat screen TV and their own get ready space, vanity right there. They also have their own ensuite bathroom with a pocket door separating the shower and the sink, which makes this space really amazing. They have a tub tiled shower with a toilet and ample essentials as well, such as shampoo, conditioner, body wash. They have their sink right there. Now, as we step into the master, you're going to see that there's a door separating these two spaces, so this allows for ample privacy within the family. The adult room has a lot of storage space, a safe. It's going to come with its own robe and slippers as well. Now let's turn around and enter the master bathroom. This beautiful bathroom is equipped with double sinks, huge mirrors with lights, a toilet of course, and a beautiful walk-in style shower with a bench. You'll see it has also all the essentials such as lotion, shampoo, body wash stocked up in there for your use, and it also has a pocket door for privacy. Now let's step into the master bedroom. So in this main bedroom, you're gonna find a desk, an alcohol bar, extra storage, some game space, of course the bed where you'll be sleeping. The L-style shaped couch right there does have a pull-out option for extra sleeping space if needed. So you can see that there. They have their own TV as well, some coffee table space, and overall just a great space to get together with the family. Now make sure that you secure this because Treasure Beach Village is opening soon and these rooms are booking fast. Contact Twinsburg Travel today to secure your stay at this incredible new addition to Beaches Turks and Caicos. Call us at 440-292-5979 or visit us at twinsburgtravel.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.